today we're going to be talking about our package number 3, the real deal. Real deal Holyfield. So on this package, what's going to segregate it from all the others is we're going to go ahead and give you a second tier wax at the end of the detail. That's going to prolong the protection from 3 months all the way to 6 months of UV protection, and it's going to give you a nice slick surface on the entire vehicle. We're going to go ahead and start that off with your vacuum. We're going to vacuum, clean the interior, but this is what segregates this package, and probably why it's one of the most popular packages that we have in our detailing, because we have here a line by P&S. And what this is going to be a mixture of peroxide treatment, express interior cleaner, which removes all the enzymes, all the proteins from cloth, leather, dashboard. We're going to do the Terminator, and we're also going to top it off with a carpet balm, and we're also topping it off with a surface sanitizer. Okay, now when you combine all of this, and we combine these products with the shampoo machine, it intensifies the cleaning power treatment behind these wonderful products. Keep in mind, our dry wash is going to be a completely exterior inside the door jambs, right? And we're going to do a complete interior detail, which is going to eliminate enzymes. It's going to eliminate viruses. Because we're going through that pandemic, this is a very popular package for you guys. So again, this is the real deal. Thank you so much.